From ancient philosophers gazing at the stars to modern physicists probing the atom, humanity has always been driven by a profound curiosity about the universe. Across cultures and times, we find a shared quest to understand the fundamental nature of reality. What is this world made of? How does it work? While the tools and methods have evolved, the underlying questions remain strikingly similar. Today, an unexpected bridge between two seemingly disparate fields offers intriguing answers: the ancient wisdom of Vedanta and the mind-bending discoveries of quantum physics. For centuries, Vedanta, a school of thought within Hinduism, has explored the nature of consciousness and reality. Its insights, rooted in deep meditation and philosophical inquiry, offer a framework for understanding our place in the cosmos. Quantum physics, on the other hand, emerged from the scientific revolution, using rigorous experiments and mathematical models to explore the universe at its smallest scales. Surprisingly, these two distinct paths, one ancient and spiritual, the other modern and scientific, converge on some remarkably similar conclusions. Both Vedanta and quantum physics challenge our everyday perception of the world as a collection of separate, independent objects. Instead, they point towards a reality that is interconnected, fluid, and dynamic. This essay delves into the fascinating parallels between these two fields, exploring how they converge in their understanding of reality, consciousness, and the interconnectedness of all things. By weaving together ancient wisdom and modern science, we embark on a journey that expands our understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. To grasp the convergence between Vedanta and quantum physics, we must first understand the core concepts of Vedanta. Central to Vedanta is the idea of Brahman, the ultimate reality, the one unchanging essence that underlies the multiplicity of the world we perceive. Brahman is not merely a god or a creator, it is the very fabric of existence, encompassing all that is, was, and ever will be. It is beyond our limited human comprehension, often described as pure consciousness, infinite potential, and the ground of all being. The world we experience with our senses, according to Vedanta, is not the ultimate reality, but a manifestation of Brahman called Maya. Maya is not an illusion in the sense of being unreal. Rather, it is the dynamic, ever-changing appearance of Brahman, much like the waves on the ocean's surface. Just as the waves are ultimately expressions of the same water, all the objects and phenomena we perceive are expressions of the one underlying reality, Brahman. This concept of Maya is crucial because it highlights the limitations of our sensory perception. Our senses, while essential for navigating the world, only provide us with a limited, fragmented view of reality. Vedanta suggests that to perceive the true nature of reality, we need to go beyond the veil of Maya to experience the unity and interconnectedness that lie beneath the surface. Quantum physics, a branch of physics that studies the universe at the subatomic level, presents a picture of reality that is strikingly different from our everyday experience. One of the most startling discoveries of quantum physics is that particles, the fundamental building blocks of matter, do not behave like tiny billiard balls as classical physics suggests. Instead, they exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple states or places at once until observed. This strange behavior is illustrated by the famous double-slit experiment. When particles are fired at a barrier with two slits, they don't just go through one slit or the other as we would expect. Instead, they seem to go through both slits simultaneously, creating an interference pattern on the screen behind. This suggests that particles do not have a definite location until they are measured or observed. This brings us to another key concept in quantum physics, the role of the observer. The act of observation, of measuring a particle's properties, seems to collapse its wave function, forcing it to choose a definite state. This implies that consciousness, or at least the act of observation, plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. The parallels between Vedanta and quantum physics emerge when we juxtapose their respective frameworks. Vedanta's Brahman, the ultimate reality underlying the world of appearances, resonates with the quantum field, the fundamental ground state from which all particles arise in quantum physics. Both concepts point to a unified field of existence that transcends our ordinary perception of separate objects and events. Similarly, the Vedantic concept of Maya, the ever-changing manifestation of Brahman, finds its parallel in the dynamic, probabilistic nature of quantum particles. Just as the waves on the ocean's surface are in constant flux, quantum particles exist in a state of superposition, their properties constantly fluctuating until observed. Both frameworks suggest that the reality we perceive is not static or fixed, but rather a dynamic dance of energy and information. Perhaps the most compelling parallel lies in the role of the observer. Vedanta posits that our consciousness is not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. Similarly, quantum physics demonstrates that the observer is not a passive bystander, but an active participant in shaping reality. The act of observation in quantum experiments influences the behavior of particles, suggesting that consciousness and the material world are intimately connected. The convergence of Vedanta and quantum physics offers profound implications for our understanding of reality and our place within it. Both frameworks challenge the materialistic worldview, which sees the universe as a giant machine composed of separate, independent parts. Instead, they present a picture of a universe that is interconnected, interdependent, and fundamentally whole. This shift in perspective has profound implications for how we view ourselves and our relationship with the world around us. If the universe is not a collection of separate objects, but a unified field of existence, then we are not isolated individuals, but integral parts of this interconnected web of life. Our actions, thoughts, and intentions have ripple effects that extend far beyond our immediate perception. Recognizing our interconnectedness invites us to cultivate a sense of responsibility for ourselves, for each other, and for the planet we share. If we are all interconnected, then harming another person, species, or ecosystem ultimately harms ourselves as well. This understanding fosters a sense of empathy, compassion, and a deep respect for all life. The parallels between Vedanta and quantum physics offer a tantalizing glimpse into the nature of reality, suggesting that the universe is far more mysterious and interconnected than our everyday experience suggests. While these two disciplines approach the question of reality from different angles, their convergence on similar insights hints at a deeper truth that transcends the limitations of any one perspective. As we continue to explore the frontiers of science and consciousness, we may find even more compelling connections between these two seemingly disparate realms. By embracing both the wisdom of ancient traditions and the insights of modern science, we open ourselves to a more expansive and awe-inspiring understanding of the universe and our place within its grand cosmic dance. The journey of discovery is ongoing, a testament to our boundless curiosity and our enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of existence.